Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to reset your AT&T fiber internet connection. So first of all I want to tell you only one thing, that is before resetting your internet you need to contact your service provider, because when you reset your internet connection you will lose your all the information your Wi-Fi name, your Wi-Fi password and your Wi-Fi IP address. Each and everything will be deleted, okay, and you are not able to log in. And once you have reset your Wi-Fi you can say device, and once you reset your Wi-Fi device you will see like your device is in the new condition, like as you received from the company or from the brand. It will look like this one, okay, only. And if we talk about you should reset your device or not, no, you should not reset your device, because resetting your device is you can lose your all the access, okay. But I want to tell you how you can reset your device. So this is the tutorial. Like you can see, there are different kinds of models in the, you can say, market, AT&T providing different kinds of, you can say, routers. So each and every router has one button on the back side of your router, like reset button. I want to show you something like this, okay. You will see over here in these kind of models you will see reset button on the you can say bottom side, and on this kind of router you will see the reset button on the back side at you can say power port, nearby the power port. And you can also see there is a reset button, red color reset button, and there is also one reset button also available, red color reset button. What you can do, you need to just simply press this button for only 3 to 5 seconds. Only 3 to 5 seconds you have to press this button with the help of any needle or with the help of any pin. You can press it and leave it, and once you press it for 3 to 5 seconds, then your router will you can say restart, and it will reset at their original condition, okay. But after resetting you are not able to log in. You have to set up your Wi-Fi once again. Each and everything you have to provide it. You have to mention each and everything like IP address, your Wi-Fi name, your Wi-Fi password, each and everything you have to fill out. Then you can use the Wi-Fi, okay. So by using this method you can easily reset, okay. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.